Toto the tow truck came for maintenance. Shall we check Toto together? Turn the wrench around to tighten the screw. Clean the parts. Clean the glass. That's amazing! Put all the stickers on. Move everything into the cart. Move everything to its destination. Good job! Put all the stickers on. Yahoo! Put down the scanner to do a check. That's amazing! Enjoy your ride to the destination. Yahoo! After the checkup, Toto is towing Rogi, the broken bus.
Thanks, Toto. You saved my life.
Help me, somebody!
When there is a car accident, Toto the tow truck tows the car to the repair shop. Tow the broken car to the repair shop.
Yahoo! 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 Yahoo!
Thanks to the tow truck, friends repaired the broken parts.
Thanks, Toto. You saved my life.
Tow the broken car to the repair shop.
Yahoo! Yahoo! Yahoo!
Thanks to the tow truck, friends repaired the broken parts.
Thanks, Toto. You...
Oh no! The street is very dirty because of garbage. Shall we start cleaning the street with Rubby the garbage truck? Clean the dirty street. Put garbage into the recycling machine.
Yahoo! 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 Yeah! Well done!
Clean the dirty street. Put garbage into the recycling machine.
Yahoo! 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 Yeah! Well done!
Whoa! Thanks to the garbage truck, the street is clean again. Rubby was excited and danced with the recycling robot. Clean the dirty street. Put garbage into the recycling machine.
Yahoo!
dirty street. Put garbage into the recycling machine.
Yahoo! 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 Yeah! Well done!
Whoa! Thanks to the garbage truck, the street is clean again. Rubby was excited and danced with the recycling robot. As always, we have a lot of packages to deliver today. Help Tony deliver the packages. Choose a box that matches the best.
Yahoo! 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 Yahoo!
Yahoo! Yahoo! Yahoo! Yahoo! Huh? It's a toy!
Thanks to the delivery truck, people who received packages were very happy. Choose a box that matches the best.
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Yahoo! Yahoo!
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Yahoo!
Huh? It's a toy!
Thanks to the delivery truck, people who received packages were very happy.
Emergency! We have to go save them now!
Air, the rescue helicopter, is flying to save the people who are in danger. Save all the people who are in danger.
Yep. Yahoo! Yep. Yahoo! Yep. Yahoo! Yep. Yahoo! Yep. Yahoo! Yahoo!
Thank you for saving me.
Thanks to the helicopter, all the people are safe. Save all the people who are in danger.
Yahoo! Yahoo! Yep! Yahoo! Yep! Yahoo! Yep! Yahoo! Yep! Yahoo!
Yeah!
Thank you for saving me.
Thanks to the helicopter, all the people are safe. Hannah got on Hart, the repair truck, and rushed out.
Oh no! I gotta get to the repair shop and get fixed.
Press Hannah to scan the broken car.
Yahoo!
Rub the glass to fix it. Fill up the engine oil. Put on the stickers to change the parts. Make bubbles on the car. Wash the bubbles away with water. Tayo and Lani, who just got repaired, are excited.
Whoa! I feel like I am born again! You still have to be careful.
Press Hannah to scan the broken car.
Yahoo!
Rub the glass to fix it. Clean the engine. Hammer a nail into the engine. Put on the stickers to change the parts. Make bubbles on the car. Wash the bubbles away with water.
Yahoo!
Tayo and Lani, who just got repaired, are excited.
Whoa! I feel like I am born again! You still have to be careful.
Early in the morning, Tayo was driving his car. That's when Duri came over with a smiling face. Tayo, I have a gift for you. Look, this is a painting I drew. Thanks for giving me a ride all the time.
Whoa! Really?
When Tayo saw the gift, he was very delighted. After a while, Tayo came across Rogi, who was letting out a big sigh.
There's my favorite concert tomorrow, but I don't have time to go.
Tayo wanted to help Rogi. I'll go driving for you instead because I am off work tomorrow.
What? Are you serious? Thanks, Tayo.
Rogi was excited to see the performance. That's when Hana, with a troubled look, came into sight.
Hana, what's wrong?
You know, I lost the tools I just bought. They should be somewhere around here.
Really? Then let's look for it together.
Rogi and Hana searched the surroundings from top to bottom and finally found the repair tools. Hurrah! Thanks a lot. After a while, Hana found Luri, whose car was broken down.
Huh? There's something wrong with the engine. Help me!
Hana took out the repair tools and fixed Luri in the blink of an eye.
Whoa! You're certainly the best!
You're welcome. After a while, Luri found Duri, who was about to burst into tears. Huh? I am lost because I am here for the first time.
Really? Then I'll take you home!
Luri picked up Duri and went straight home. But Tayo was waiting in front of Duri's place. I came because I also have something for you. Ta-da! Whoa, there is a cool robot in the box. Whoa, this is what I really wanted to get. Then, with an embarrassed smile, Tayo spoke. Thanks for being with me all the time. Let's be good friends no matter what. Of course. Today is the happiest day of my life. All of the friends made a big smile.